feeds the reindeer all their hay? Who wraps the gifts and packs the sleigh? Who's helping Santa every day? Mrs. Santa Claus. Who keeps his red suit looking nice? Who does he turn to for advice? Who gives the brownies all their spice? Mrs. Santa Claus. She pitter-patters all around the workshop the whole year long. Amid the happy clatter of the workshop, she sings a merry, merry Christmas song. Who reads the notes from girls and boys, turns in the order for their toys, fills every heart with wondrous joys? Mrs. Santa Claus. She pitter-patters all around the world.